welcome to the online class. Today's date is 21/9/2020. In last class we have started the new lesson, that is lesson number 7, multiplication. Okay, in today's class we will continue with the multiplication table of twos. See the textbook, count by twos, complete the number strip. You have to count the count by twos and write the numbers in the given strip. Okay, here they given 2. Counting by twos: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This is the table of 2. Table of twos. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 3 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Next, fill in the numbers in the boxes and complete the table of twos. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 2, 8. 5 into 2, 10. 6 into 2, 12. 7 into 2, 14. 8 into 2, 16. 9 into 2, 18. 10 into 2, 20. Like that, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. This is the table of twos. Okay, write the product here. 2 ones are 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. 2 5, 10. See here, 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 6, see here, 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 7, 14. 2 into 8, 16. 2 into 9, 18. 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 9, 18. 2 into 8, 16. 2 into 7, 14. 2 into 6, 12. Next, fill in the blanks. To express 4 into 2 as addition, we write as, okay, 4 into 2 you have to write in addition form. Okay, 4 into 2 they given here. You have to add 4. You have to add the number 4 2 times. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8. 4 into 2 or 2 into 4, 8. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, you have to write the number 2 6 times. Number 2 you have to write 6 times. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, the product of 1 and 9 is 9. The product of 1 and 9 is 9. Two groups of 8 flowers, each makes 8 flowers. Each makes 8 flowers. Okay, next, multiplication table of threes. Multiplication table of threes. Write the missing numbers. Circle every third number from 3. Every third number from 3. You have to write the missing numbers in the given strip. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. What they have told here, circle every third number from 3. Okay, This is, you have to circle these now. Count by threes and build the table of threes. Write the missing numbers. You have to write the missing numbers here. Counting by threes. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. 3, 5, 15. 3, 6, 18. 3, 7, 21. 3, 8, 24. 3 into 9, 27. 3 into 10, 30. This is the table of threes. This is the table of threes. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Okay. Here they given some problems here. Write the product. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 3 into 4 what? 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 4, 3 into 8, 3 into 8, 24. 3 into 9, 27. 3 into 10, 30. Okay, next, fill in the blanks. Okay, 4 times 3 as addition is written as 4 times 3 means you have to write add 3 into 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, 4 times 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times is equal to 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Okay. 6 times 3 is, you have to write the number 3 6 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Answer is 3. 6 times 3 is 3 6 means 18. The product of 10 and 3 is 30. 10 and 3 is 30. Okay, dear students, in next class we will continue with some more topics. Thank you.